Hey guys, we're out here on the river today, realizing that we're going to be doing some pretty hardcore wading, not spending as much time in the boats. So to assure that we're nice and safe, we're going to install a set of rock treads. We're going to do a set for what's called the removable sole kit today. That's your Hodgman boots that has the sole that actually removes. Corkers has a similar setup where the sole's removable, changeable. You can go from felt to rubber to whatever you like. So we take our sole off, open up your rock treads kit. Luckily we have a drill here on the back of the truck. Inside you have your instructions, sticker, and then the rock treads discs themselves. You get 22, it's enough for 11 per shoe. It's actually a gracious plenty. We'll give you a couple extra just in case you do happen to lose one or anything like that. We typically run about 9 on a boot. What I like to do is lay out however many discs you're gonna put on your shoe. With the removable soles, you always have to stay away from any of their ribs or any of their structural support things. You need to put them in where it's not in the way of what their installation method is. But you pick a spot, I think right there is going to be a great one. Open up our lockdown kit, and luckily inside it does come with all the pieces, screws, the backside, which is called our lockdown nut, a little bit of extra thread locker, and a drill bit to make install really easy. Put in your drill bit. We want to put one right about here. There's nothing in the way. We'll be good to go. All you do is drill a hole. It's really easy on these, nice hard plastic. Go back and forth a little bit, make sure the hole's clean and easy. Put these in there. Then you just take your lockdown nut, pop it into the hole in the back. It sits nice and flat, doesn't get in the way of how you install it, anything like that. Take your rock treads disc, take your screw, which has been dipped in a thread locker as well to help make sure it goes in, and then put your screwdriver bit in, your drill, and you simply screw it down, and you're done. Do this however many you want, and your boots are ready to go and gone are any of your days of slipping and sliding. If you like to wade fish and don't like to fall down, check us out on rocktreads.com. Get a set today, or check your local fly shops all over the country. If we're not there, we will be soon, and fish on.